Hi there, students. To proffer. It can actually even be a noun, a proffer, but most normally to proffer as a verb. To proffer is to offer something by holding it out. Yeah, he proffered me a sandwich. Yeah, he held out a sandwich for me to take. Okay, or to proffer advice or an opinion. He proffered his opinion on the matter. If I might proffer you some advice, you would be best to do it like this. Okay, so let's see, to offer is a more general word, but to proffer, it's to hold out for acceptance, to extend something so that somebody can take it, can have it, to offer for acceptance, to propose to give something to somebody. Yeah, he proffered his advice. He proffered an opinion. He proffered instructions on how it would be best to proceed. If I might proffer my assistance, I'm sure I can be of help to you. So it's like offer, but it's to hold it out. It's like a suggestion of help. Offer, as I said, to offer is a much more general word, but to give it up for somebody to be able to take it easily. It's like a proposal. Yeah. You are offering something. He proffered me one of his cigarettes. Would you mind proffering an explanation of how this accident happened? Notice as well, to proffer is a much more formal verb. I think proffer, I'm probably going to give a 7, maybe even a 7.5 in formality. Yeah, to offer, to hold out. He proffered me his hand. He proffered his friendship. He proffered his eternal friendship, so that we should be friends for life. Okay, so it's like an offer, but it's saying here, this is yours if you want it. Yeah, literally the act to proffer is when you hold something out for somebody to take it, suggesting, well, maybe you would like this. Yeah, so it's something that you're proposing for acceptance. But if you proffer something, it's very easy for the other person to accept it, and therefore very polite as well. Very polite as well. Okay, so to proffer. Notice as well, to proffer is a regular verb. He proffered his hand. He held it out for me. He proffered his hand to shake mine. And he has proffered advice all the way through this meeting. And it's very nice of him too as well. Okay, so what about origin? Well, proffer and offer, it really comes from the word offer, which itself comes from Latin. Yeah, you've got pro, forward or out, and offrere, or to offer. Yeah. There was a Middle English word proffer, meaning to the act of presenting or offering a gift. Yeah. But notice this word is a lot more formal. It sounds a bit literary as well. So can I proffer some help to you? Notice, to proffer something, normally to somebody, but he proffered me his hand. Yeah, I guess it works as well like that. You can also actually use this word proffer in legal English. A proffer is an offer made before formal negotiations. So maybe a proffer would be a plea bargain before the trial. If you plead guilty, we'll only give you 2 years in prison. Also, in a trial, to proffer is to give evidence in support of an argument. So he proffered arguments that supported what he was saying. If you have the burden of proof, you must proffer sufficient evidence to carry that burden. Okay, so to provide in that case, but to proffer, to offer up. So I'm always proffering advice about the English language, but remember it's really quite formal. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Proffer.